So at Lenovo, we recognise the pace of change in industry day, and I think it's our goal to utilise our cutting-edge technology and devices to help grasp these opportunities for our customers and partners to realise outcomes like mobility, like efficiency, like collaboration in the workforce.
We looked at this about a year ago, and we were very conscious that the workplace that we got just didn't feel contemporary enough. And the environment that we had was really a very traditional cube-type workplace. And more, as we were seeing new graduates coming through, a younger population coming through, they were looking for something much more contemporary.
The millennials really thrive in the type of environment where they can improve their social structures. It's the way that they work externally, it's the way that they live their lives. And so this type of environment is a much closer proximity to how you actually live your life and then bringing that into the workplace.
We actually found that in this building here in North Sydney, we used 30% of the space at any point in time. So most of the time, most people's desks are actually empty.
Mobility is a massive part of the activity-based working portfolio, and I think certainly for us as designers, if you can work anywhere, anytime, the big challenge for us is to create places that people want to go to.
The technology in the space is absolutely critical to the success. Traditionally, we've been a laptop culture, but more and more mobility plays into the space in a different way.
The staff absolutely got a choice of technology. Based on their different work styles, they were able to choose, which type of device really suited the way they worked. So if they were, for example, a mobile worker, they could have the opportunity to choose a number of different mobile devices. If they were someone at a fixed desk, they could choose between having, a laptop or a fixed computer that really reflected the kind of work that they did each day.
The upgrade of technology was handled, and the implementation of Lenovo was certainly a large part of that.
The design of the space is very much centred around the activity-based model. So you sit at a desk depending on what you happen to be doing. So if you want task work, you sit at a quiet desk. But if you're in a team setting, you might be sat at a team session with your laptop. If you need to take a call, you pick up your laptop, you move into a conference room and so on.
So we believe life can work better, and we believe work can be delivered in a better way. We think that's founded on 3 different things: technology, design, and culture.
We've gone completely wireless in the space, and we see people moving around a lot more, picking up their laptop, moving to a different space, picking up their tablet, moving somewhere else.
The technology needs to enable an environment that creates mobile and better solving of problems for your customers and your internal stakeholders.
We've introduced soft phones, wireless headsets, so there's a big sense of you use the space you're at right now, but you can move somewhere else.
After 3 months of being here, we did a change check-in with our employees, and that included an observational study as well as a survey. And really the important thing is that 82% of people felt happier and more productive in this workplace. So we're really happy with that.
And what we've noticed is, from an environment perspective, our people are really starting to love the benefits that they get from an ABW place. They see that collaboration element across teams being something that is a clear benefit from this type of environment.
I guess the advice I'd give to other organisations is that one size really doesn't fit all. Our high-performance workplace is really a hybrid of 3 work styles, and we really allow people the flexibility to work in the way in which it really suits them.
So what we find is projects move faster. Responsiveness moves faster. People's connections with other parts of the business move in a better way.
You can't underestimate, we don't get the technology right, we don't get the job right.
So whether you call it agile, high performance or activity-based working, Lenovo's here to help you.